I guess so. Let's take a look at the feature of the Trimble Business Center 2023, and the feature I'm looking at today is the Trimble Maps. So let me open up here a little project I have with the calibration and everything in it. Let's see. It's online, so it takes a while to open, even though it's a small one. And yeah, now reading. Let's take a look at it. So under the Home tab, there is this new big large icon called Trimble Maps. So let's see. Okay. So like I said, this is a small project here. So let's click here, and we have 4 different options, and by default we have none. The next one is a street. Okay, that wasn't pretty bad. Yeah. Let's go to satellite, the option number 2. Oh, weird, kind of weird trees here. Okay. Yeah, and then the last one is a terrain map. Yeah, pretty neat. So let's hit none. The other thing I have is you can see still the toggle map background. So I did click that. Oh, and nothing happened. Okay, so let's, oh yeah, there it is. So this one is the terrain map, right? So let's see, I try to street. So you can still turn it on and off with this quick shortcut on the toggle bar, but it's gonna show the latest chosen map. So I'm thinking here to myself that the terrain and the street here in Canada is pretty much the same, as I can see. Let's turn on the satellite. Let's see what that does. And of course that depends, I guess, on your speed of internet, so that's how fast it will load. Okay, weird trees. This is like Mr. Seuss trees here. Anyway, so I'm gonna toggle. Yeah, on and off. Yeah, so the latest chosen map will be on and off with the toggle. So yeah, so that's a pretty neat feature there. Remember, it's under Home, Trimble Maps, and those 4 choices. That's the new stuff. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next one.